Oh dear. So this is a chili dipped in Nutella, which should make it safe, shouldn't it? Because that gets rid of all the oils.
It's crunchy.
It's crunchy. Mmm.
Is it a hot chili? Bit of beard action. Look at the beard movement. Oh yeah.
It does appear to be a hot chili.
Moving beard. Oh yeah, sorry, is it?
Yeah, it does appear to be the hot one.
Hey, maybe you should eat the rest.
I don't think I'll be eating the rest.
I think you should eat the rest.
I think you should.
Oh.
Oh.
Finish it.
No.
Finish it.
No.
You've still got some chocolate left, Clive. You've got some skid marks on your chili.
I'm just trying to hold back the hiccups.
Go on. Go on, eat the rest.
Oh, see, it's going to spoil the flavour of everything now. Oh, God.
You're a very brave man, I'll give you that.
See, the Nutella did not help. It's a lie.
Really? I think you should maybe put some more Nutella on that. Go on, double dip.
No.
Go on, double dip.
No, one
Go
does
on.
not double dip.
Okay, in that case, eat the rest of that one.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Why did I even do this?
Because you're a cam whore.
Oh. See, I can't even taste Nutella now. Maybe I'll lick a bit off that.
Go on, eat the rest of the chili.
No.
Go on, eat it.
No.
Go on, eat it.
No, because
finished.
it's crunchy.
Go on, eat it. Go on.
No.
Yeah, go on.
No,
Go on,
this
go on, go on.
is workplace harassment. No, you touched my leg, you dirty bastard.
But you ate it.
It's good for the digestion, apparently.
Really?
Yeah, you're getting
What?
a shit funny tomorrow, that's for sure.
Because it clears out your intestine.
Yes.
Oh, see. That's enough of that thing. Oh. That milk support.